Hey guys, it's Denise Lanato. Happy Friday. Rainy day, I know, but hopefully it'll clear up. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. I have an open house at 18 Zion Drive in Berlin, New Jersey. So I have that tomorrow. It's a corner property, about 27 or a little over 2,700 square feet. It's two beds, two and a half baths, and it also has like a third, like on the first floor there's a office that could probably be easily converted into another bedroom. Right now it doesn't have a closet, so technically it's kind of an office, but the living space is huge. It has a partially finished basement as well. So I'm going to go live tomorrow unless it's really busy, but I just wanted to let you know about this house. The address is 18 Zion Drive in Berlin, New Jersey. The price is $324,999, so almost $325,000. If you want to give me a call, 215-360-2592, that would be great. Otherwise, just see me there, and I will be there with a colleague, and the two of us can give you a personal tour. Thanks so much. Take care.